rod, baby! All these damn leader bikes, I feel like a child here, bro. Got the R1, S1000, some Harleys, newer S1000. I just pulled on his ass.
Hi.
I can barely even hear my bike, bro. Damn, that thing is fucking loud as shit. It's fucking straight piped. I forgot what kind of bike is in front of me, but it's fucking loud also. It looks like a cali, but I'm not exactly sure. God, that fucking R1, bro, is straight piped and it's killing my ears. Oh, he died. Is that a R6? I think so, but I can't really tell. His tag expired 2 months ago, bro. Oh my god, bro. That thing is gonna give me permanent fucking brain damage. Bro, really cornering? We in the city now. I've never driven through here, bro. This is kind of crazy. It's beautiful. I thought it was gonna wheelie the 400. Oh, look at that. That's my twin. Man, I love this. Come on, Camaro. Yeah, this is the X6. Yeah, we in downtown. Where the fuck did the other 500 go? We got the Ducati, we got a Panigale V4, we got a 400, a ZX6, then that's a Duke, something KTM. We got a 09 R1, we got a newer S1000, I got some kind of Harley behind me. We got another 500 just like mine, but I don't know where he went. I did that on purpose. Oh, the little 400. Slow down, little 400. It's okay, don't get too angry. Yeah, we got some Harleys behind us. Damn! Dude, that Panigale, bro. I think it's fucking beautiful. But Bro, that ZX6 is beautiful. Oh my god, bro! That thing is fucking gnarly, bro. Bully the Mustang! Yeah, the Panigale's leading. Oh my god, bro.